In this video, we'll be finding the inverse of a function. We start with the function f of x equals 2x over x plus 1. So in this, we start with y equals f of x equals 2x over x plus 1. And the way to find an inverse, I like the method of swapping x and y right away and then solving for y. So let's do that. I'll say x equals 2y over y plus 1. Now to get y by itself, let's first multiply each side by y plus 1. So we'll have x times y plus 1 equals 2y. Now let's distribute this x. So we have xy plus x equals 2y. Now we'll subtract xy from each side, and that will give us x equals 2y minus xy. I just subtracted xy from each side. Now we'll factor out a y from each side. So we still have x there. We have y times 2 minus x here. We'll divide each side by 2 minus x, and that will leave us with x over 2 minus x equals y. And so our inverse, then, inverse function of x is what we have right there. That's x over 2 minus x. All right, that's our inverse function. And just as a recap, we started with swapping x and y, so y equals 2x over x plus 1. And then swap x and y, so we have x equals 2y over y plus 1, and then solve for y. And we had y on the right-hand side. It doesn't matter whether it's on the right or the left on the end, as long as it's by itself. And then that is the inverse, x over 2 minus x. All right, I hope that helps.